So we are solving 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of 1 times 2 minus 5. Alright, so 3 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0, right? 3 to the power of 0 is not equal to 3. 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? So here is 1 and plus 4 power 1 is not equal to 1. 4 to the power of 1 is equal to 4. So here is 4 times 2 and minus 5. So you might hear some birds chirping in the background. That's just nature joining our class. So 4 times 2 and 1 plus 4 and minus 5. So 4 times 2 first, right? Multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction. So 1 plus 4 times 2 equals 8 and minus 5. Now addition and subtraction, left to right. So 1 plus 8 equals 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4.